Hello students, in this tutorial we will review how to create a WordPress blog. Remember, we're going to use WordPress to host our blogs for different things such as our serial web blog and then also necessary posts that you will write throughout the weeks as we learn the concepts in the course. So what you'll do is go to the navigation bar and type in wordpress.com. So you'll navigate to wordpress.com, then you're going to want to select create website. Okay. Once you select create website, it's going to give you the option of which type of website you're going to create. Well, what we want to create is one that's education, and we're going to select college education. Okay, this is going to give you a layout of how you want your website to look. Um, I'm just going to go ahead and create a welcome page for the website. You can always change this later with your themes. That's what makes WordPress really easy to use. And I'm just going to select one of these themes. Okay. And then the next thing you need to do is name your weblog. I think that I'm just going to type in Clayton Benjamin blog.wordpress. And it's important to type .wordpress.com because otherwise you're not going to end up with this free option here. Okay. So remember up here it says choose a custom domain or a free .wordpress.com address. So make sure that you type in .wordpress.com. So let's say I want this domain. I'm going to hit select. Remember, we want it for free. We don't really want to pay anything, so I'm just going to select for free. And then we need to put in our email addresses. So cjbenjamin@ucdavis.edu. I'm going to choose a password, and then I'm going to select create account. Okay. So it's going to take just one moment. You know what? I need to go to my email address in order to confirm the site, so I'm going to do that quickly. So we'll go to Davis, email, sign in. Let's see if it went to clutter. It did not go to clutter. Let's go for inbox. I do not see it in there. So let's go back. All right. So, oh, there it is. Okay. So once WordPress sends you this, you need to make sure that you go ahead and confirm the fact that they sent it. Otherwise, you won't be able to publish and post your posts. So confirm now. And now my email is confirmed. Okay. So if I wanted to add a blog post, what I would do is use this left navigation here, and I would select add. So the internet is running a little bit slow here. Okay, so I just say first post, and I say this is an example of a post. And of course up here we have our Wizard editor, so we can bold our text, italicize it, create lists, insert links, etc. We can also use HTML tab too to help us do some fancy HTML code. If you know how to use HTML, feel free to use that. You can also add some media. For example, they've got some pictures here already, so we could just insert that, and I'll show you how that works. Now we have an image in there. Okay. So let's say we're satisfied with this post. What I want to do is go over to the left here and hit publish. So this is going to publish my post. Do it just a second here. And then I want to view my post. All right, so I see that my first post is published here, okay? So that's just a quick and easy tutorial of how to start up your website. You can feel free to get more fancy with it, change the title, change the different types of pages that you have, and we can explore more of that in class. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial about how to get your first post up and running. Thank you.